Every toothbrush here begins far from the factory floor. Sourcing is controlled, regulated, and documented. Only approved porcupine skin moves forward. The journey to the toothbrush factory begins. Raw material approaches precision.
Every batch is logged and traced.
Traceability defines modern manufacturing. Preparation begins with purification. Cleanliness shapes the final product. Moisture gives way to structure. Now the transformation truly begins. Pressure reshapes raw material into workable form. Uniformity begins at the cutting edge. Structure is divided into purpose. Only the finest fibers move ahead. Moisture is replaced by consistency.
Human eyes confirm mechanical precision. Exact measurements define comfort.
Safety is engineered into every fiber. Purity is non-negotiable. Stability prepares them for assembly.
Individual fibers become organized units.
Two components approach their union. The handle begins as measured granules. Heat transforms solid into flow. Shape is forged under pressure. From mold to movement in seconds. Precision removes every flaw. Surface defines comfort in the hand. Orientation prepares for union. The moment of assembly begins. Fiber meets form with engineered accuracy. Security ensures lasting performance. Form follows function at every strand. Cleaned and prepared for refinement. Controlled heat prepares the final texture. Moisture disappears under steady airflow.
Temperature settles before inspection.
Human review confirms machine precision. Strength is measured strand by strand.
Comfort is engineered at microscopic scale.
Identity is added with precision.
Light locks the mark into place. Technology filters perfection from flaw. Imperfections are removed without pause.
Every finished unit moves toward its final stage. The product is ready to meet its package.
Packaging materials prepare to receive the product.
Automation ensures perfect positioning.
Layers combine in measured sequence. Heat locks the product securely inside. Integrity is checked at every edge.
Excess material is removed with precision.
Traceability becomes part of the product.
Every unit is digitally accounted for.
Boxes rise from flat sheets.
Units gather into retail quantities.
Closure secures the journey ahead.
From individual packs to larger consignments.
Retail units consolidate for transport.
Filament back.
Heat binds the shipment into one.
Cooling stabilizes the wrap.
Machines stack with tireless precision.
Stability ensures safe movement.
Protection surrounds the shipment.
Identification prepares for distribution.
Human guidance directs the flow.
Inventory builds in ordered rows.
Digital systems confirm readiness.
Distribution begins with a signal. The factory doors open to the world. Distribution begins beyond factory walls.
Safety accompanies every shipment.
The journey moves from preparation to motion.
From production floor to open road.
Miles connect factory to market. Logistics expands the reach.
Transfer maintains the chain of movement. Systems divide shipments with precision.
Final preparation for storefront arrival.
The final leg begins.
From highway to storefront.
The product prepares to meet customers.
The final stage begins in retail space.
Packaging reveals the finished product.
Space is prepared for display.
From factory precision to consumer visibility.
Consistency extends to presentation.
Information guides purchasing decisions.
The product meets its audience.
Decision turns into action.
From shelf to purchase path. The final scan approaches.
The journey ends in consumer hands. The product leaves the store for its final journey. Every item integrates into daily life.
From store shelf to personal possession.
The journey continues on familiar roads.
Arrival marks the start of use.
Packaging gives way to purpose.
Preparation turns into function. Daily ritual embraces craftsmanship.
Cleansed and ready for the next use.
The product becomes part of daily life.
Functionality meets expectation.
Endurance tested through daily ritual.
Quality persists through repeated care.
Every detail reflects precision engineering.
Integration into routine signifies success.
From forest to factory to home, the journey is complete. The final product waits for its journey.
Storage preserves order and readiness.
Shipment continues the life cycle.
And this is how modern factories produce porcupine bristle toothbrushes from start to finish.
From creation to distribution, the process completes.
Explore what comes next in modern manufacturing.
Stay curious for the next story of industry.